Also exams for them. Okay. Good evening. My voice is audible. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That last class what we done? Once you can tell me.
Absolute maximum and absolute.
I gave the procedure to you.
Yes, sir. You give steps.
Steps I gave. Okay. Very good. So we'll do the questions today. Okay. So you can write now. Right. Find the absolute maximum value and find the absolute maximum value and minimum value of following functions in given interval. Find the absolute maximum value and
Sir, repeat that, sir.
find absolute maximum value. Find absolute maximum value and minimum value of following functions in given interval. In a given interval. In a given interval. Okay. You know the procedure. First, you can I will give the question here now. You can write. First one, f of okay, f of x equal to x cube, comma, x belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 2. Okay, so for this one, all of you, it's visible now. I'll do one thing.
It's not visual, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
uh, f of x equal to x cube, comma x belongs to minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. So all of you, once you can try now, I'll change the sync is not going after writing on the board. Okay, so I will change the pink it is. Now follow the same method. First you can differentiate the function, find the critical points. Later we'll get the points. So here now f of x equal to x cube, we know very well that, and differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So therefore f dash of x equal to 3x square. You can write now for critical points. For critical points, what is it? F of f dash of x equal to 0 we have to take. F dash of x equal to 0. That means therefore 3x square equal to 0. Next square equal to we got 0 only. The next equal to plus or minus 0 means 0 only can take. Clear that 0 is the lies between what is that? Minus 2 and 2 also. The 3 points we got now. We can find the values you can find. Okay. For absolute maximum and minimum. So therefore for absolute maximum and minimum we have to find here. First you can take the numbers now. Minus 2, 0 and 1. Directly you can take. F of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube is equal to minus 8. And f of 0 equal to 0 only. F of 0 equal to 0. Then f of 2 equal to 2 cube. So 2 cube equal to 8. Then you can write. What is the absolute maximum here? What is the absolute maximum?
8.
Uh, 8. Absolute minimum
minus
minus 8. Yet what is the points here now? Right. Absolute maximum yet x equal to 2 and absolute minimum yet x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2. Okay. Write clearly that. Next. Second one, f of x equal to sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, cos x comma x belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi, closed interval 0 comma pi. Okay, you can find it this one. F of x equal to sin x plus cos x comma x belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. Yes, all of you can start now. Yes, solve yourself and please tell me answer. Very easy one, simple question. First differentiate, find the critical points you can find. Later, based on the critical point, we got the value from 0 to between 0 and pi. We'll take the value. Then three numbers we are getting, the three numbers we are substituting in the f of x. Then at which point we got the maximum, that is the maximum value. Absolute
X is equal to 5
x equal to how much? Pi by
by
pi by 4. Very good. X equal to pi by 4. Means three numbers we have to find. Okay. After finding this one, we got clearly x equal to pi by 4 we got. Remaining it is you can write yourself because differentiation you know very well that one. Okay, already we done so many questions. If you want, I can write, no problem that one. So f dash of x equal to clearly we got no cos x minus sin x. Okay, so therefore for critical points you can write f dash of x equal to 0 we have to take. So cos x minus sin x equal to 0. So you can write now cos x equal to sin x, cos x equal to sin x. Therefore sin x by cos x equal to 1. Sin x cos x equal to 1. That implies tan x equal to 1 means the clearly the value of x equal to pi by 4. It is clearly lies between what is that 0 and pi here. So you can write. So therefore for absolute maximum, maximum, absolute maximum comma minimum. Okay. Then what is required now? What are the points you can write here? To find that clearly you can write now. Minimum. We find f of x at x equal to 0. We find f of x at x equal to 0. Here you can write now. F of x at x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 4 and x equal to pi. All we have to find. Suppose if taken f of 0 means then what you are getting sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 equal to 0 plus 1 equal to we got 1. So f of pi by 4 equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 4 also get no 1 by root 2. It is equal to clearly we got now.
root
The root
2.
is just mean root 2 na root 2. In the same you can find the f of pi also you can find. Means so sin pi plus cos pi. Here sin pi equal to clearly sin 180 equal to how much? 0 na? 0 minus 1 na? Is correct? 0 minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. Now you can say the value. What is the maximum value? What is the minimum value? Root 2 equal to how much? 1.414. 1.414. So you can say clearly that one. The absolute maximum value is root 2, yet x equal to pi by 4. The absolute minimum is minus 1, yet x equal to pi. Okay, the two values you can write. Write it. Okay. Next, third one. Oh, it's not going. 1 minute, I'll get the ink bottle. At least I'll write the problem here now. Once you can try. F of x equal to 12. F of x equal to 12x power 4 by 3 minus 3 6x power 6 into x power 1 by 3 comma for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1. This one you can try. Question number 3. I'll get other ink bottle. How to solve? Once you can tell me, anyone? How to solve this? But we got not 12 into x power 4 by 3 we got. But when you differentiate in that, suppose we are taking that 6 common also, we will get. But that also in terms of what is that x power something we are getting. Once you can try, I will write on the board because it's not going. Okay, thank you, sir. We have to do the physically work means no need to do any work. Simply just we are coming here and we are standing in front of the board. We are obeying this board, it's enough. You will get so much exercise. Okay. Differentiate now that function f dash of x equal to If you want, you can take 12 is the constant value, you can take outside now. X power n equal to 4 by 3 into x power 4 by 3, x power 4 by 3 minus 1, minus 6 into the x power 1 by 3 means here also you can write now 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay. So 3 in this number 4 times and 4 4s are 16. 16 into x power 4 by 3 minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 na minus 2 times here. This is 2 into x power, but this is we got negative value minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 here. So from this one we are taking common. What will take common? Please tell me. I think
2x power 1 by 3.
2 into x power 1 by 3 will take common now. Yes. So this is the 8 minus and x power minus 2 na is correct. X power minus 2. So you can write, so therefore for critical points you can write now. For critical points f dash of x equal to 0 you can write. So therefore 2 into x power 1 by 3 into 8 minus x power minus 2 equal to 0. Clearly write this one. No? One thing is 2 into x power 1 by 3 equal to 0. That means to clearly get now x equal to 0, one value. And second one 8 power x power minus 2 means you can write clearly that 1 by x equal to 0. So 1 by x equal to 8 is correct.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I didn't understand if you take x common, then inside the bracket how x came, sir.
where? Here,
Yes, sir.
this is the x power minus 2 by 3. You can write now x power minus 2 into x power 1 by 3. Oh, sorry. So multiply means we are not getting. It's correct. We're adding both of them. No, it's not possible.
So minus 3,
No,
sir. X
yes,
power
yes.
minus 3.
Yes, this one you can write now x power 1 by 3 whole power minus 2 na. This also, but we can't take x power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Taken a power m whole power n also, but we are not taking common here now.
No, sir. Take x power minus 3.
Minus 3.
Sir, because addition, no, sir. Multiplication.
Yes, yes,
Some
yes,
addition.
yes.
So it will be minus 3.
If you take an x power minus 3 na, after 1 by 2, suppose we will take here now 1 minute. This is we are multiplying both of them. Then what will happen once you can see that one? We got x power 1 by 3 into x power minus 1 minus 2. It's not possible. But minus 3 also it's not possible. Man. We can't take that one.
Sir, 1 by 8 is correct, sir.
1 by 8. Or else you can take directly the same thing only. Y and SL we are taking common that. Okay. Directly
We
can
get
take.
1 by 8.
Yes, directly can take that same thing. But the same thing only can write now. Like this means I can't teach any maths here. Take directly 16 x power 1 by 3 minus 2 into x power minus 2 by 3 equal to 0 na. This one right side 16 x power 1 by 3 equal to 2 into x power minus 2 by 3. So 2 in this number clearly 8 times now. It's correct. So this is the 8 into x power 1 by 3 is equal to this one you can write now 1 by x power 2 by 3 na. It's fine. On this one you write this side now directly. So therefore x power 1 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Equal to 1 by 8. So a power m whole power n equal to a power m plus n. So x power this is the 1 only. So the value of x equal to 1 by 8. Okay. The value of x equal to 1 by 8 now. This is the clearly it belongs to the what is that? Clearly it belongs to the closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Then whatever the problem itself that. Now 3 values we got. Then you can find it. Okay, so therefore the for absolute maximum and minimum value, for absolute maximum and minimum value, Okay, find it. The absolute maximum and minimum values. Okay, to find f of x. What to take here now? X equal to -1, x equal to 1 by 2, at x equal to 1 we can take it and find it. All just you can find yourself and please tell me answers. What is the maximum value and what is the minimum value? Yet what is the points we are getting? 11 got the answer. If we take in -1, then what will get? -1
18,
whole.
sir.
Huh?
18.
-1 means 18, huh? Correct. 18. It's fine. 1 by 8,
Uh, minus 9 by 4.
-9 by 4. Yes. Very good. F of 1,
6, sir.
6. Very good. Then what is the absolute maximum value here now?
18 at x equal to
18 at
minus
x
1.
equal to -1.
Minus 1.
Yes. Absolute minimum is -9
Minus
by
9
4
by 4 at
at
x
x
equal
equal to
1 by
1 by 8. Yes, very good. Okay, for the answers. Next one, I'll write here only. F of x equal to 4x minus 1 by 2 into x square, where x belongs to closed interval -2 comma 9 by 2, closed interval -2 comma 9 by 2. Yes, start now. Because already I done so many problems I done on board. Okay, suppose you got, if anyone you got confusion or doubt, means immediately ask me, I'll solve on the board. Okay, don't feel like it is the I'm asking means maybe starting some other thing. Don't think like that it is. Because just we are gathering together here now only for the learning. Okay, try yourself. You're not getting means immediately ask me, then we'll discuss. I'll solve on the board. Very easy only. Just you can take same differentiation you can take. I think when you differentiate this function, we'll get clearly only x we are getting. That is the 4. 4 minus 6. That means x equal to 4 we are getting. So x equal to 4 clearly lies between -2 and 9 by 2. Clearly we got. Because 9 by 2 equal to 4.5. 4.5. Then you can find it. Same procedure. Got the answer? Got the answer? Already I told very clear that for if taken
Yes,
f
sir.
dash of x equal to, we got now 4 minus x is correct. That means 4 minus x equal to 0, the value of x equal to 4. Clearly it is belongs to the, what is that, closed interval minus 2 comma 9 by 2. Now find the values. X equal to, we got now minus 2 and 4, 9 by 2. That for 3 values you can substituting one by one in this given function and verify it. Okay. Now tell me now what is the maximum value here, absolute maximum? Absolute maximum, please tell me.
8.
8. Absolute minimum? Absolute
Minus 10.
maximum? 8. Okay. Minus
10.
minus 10. Very good. 8 and minus 10. But since it is the board point of view, means we have to write the procedure very clearly, that very clearly we have to write. Understood now? So don't leave any step and don't skip any step between the problem it is. You should write clearly. After finding that one, the critical point, the value of x here, write clearly for absolute maximum and minimum value. Okay, we need to find f of x 8, x equal to, what is that? X equal to minus 2 and x equal to 4 and x equal to 9 by 2.
So, but
Ah.
f of 9 by 2, we are getting greater value, sir.
Greater means then how much we got there?
So 63 by 8 I'm getting, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, even me, sir.
But
63.
63 by 80 equal to how much?
Less than 8. No,
Sir,
sir.
it's greater
Less
than,
than 8, it will be 7
oh
point
yeah, less
something
than,
we are
yes, sir.
getting. Is correct, because 8 8 are 64. 8 8 are
Yes,
64.
sir, yes, sir.
But clearly it is the compared to 8 less value only. So absolute maximum is 8 and absolute minimum is minus 10. At the particular points, one is the minus 2 and here it is 4. Correct? Next. F of x equal to x minus 2 whole square. Writing on the board also I'm getting irritation now. Right now, f of x equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 3. Fifth one, f of x equal to f of x equal to x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus 3. So it is the not plus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 comma where x belongs to minus 3 comma 1, minus 3 comma 1. Yes, find it. Find the absolute maximum and minimum value. Find now.
So x is minus 1 by 2.
X equal to
Minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. No.
X equal 1, sir.
X equal to 1 now. Okay, x equal to 1 only. It's not minus 1 by 2. X equal to 1. So differentiate
Yes,
this
sir,
value.
got it, sir, got it. Got it, got it.
X equal to 2 into x minus 1 and constant anyhow 0 only. Is correct? So 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0. The value of x equal to 1. This is the clearly from d hat is the closed interval minus 3 comma 1 only we are getting. So 1 will be possibilities. It belongs to the clearly closed interval minus 3 comma 1 only. Then you can find we have only 2 points only. only two values at x equal to -3 and x equal to 1. Okay. Find now absolute maximum and minimum.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I'm getting absolute minimum is equal to 4, sir.
absolute minimum 4. No,
So 3, sir.
3. You can take here now. It is the two values we got now. Only -3 and 1. To take an x equal to 1, what happened now? 1 minus 1 equal to 0 is correct. But 0 plus 3 equal to 0 means then right we are getting means plus 3. That's all. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 equal to 0. 3. That is the minimum value. And maximum
Yes, sir, I
equal
got
to
it.
-3 minus 1 equal to
19.
-4. So 16 plus 3 equal to 19.
19.
Yes, 19 is the absolute maximum and 3 is the absolute minimum. At this point is x equal to -3 and at this one x equal to 1. Okay, x equal to 1 here. Okay, yes, right, next one.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, maximum I'm getting 28, sir.
how to get 28? Our function is only x minus 1 whole square plus 3 only, na? X equal to -3 can take.
Sir, I wrote expression wrong, sorry. X minus
3 minus 1 whole square plus 3. This is the -4 whole square plus 3 now. 16 plus 3 equal to 19.
Sir, I did mistake. Expression wrong.
Ah. Okay. Oh, one more you can write now. F of x equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. All of you can copy that. 2x cube minus 15x square 2x cube minus 15x square minus 15x square plus 36x plus 36x plus 1 at the point closed interval 1 comma 5. Closed interval 1 comma 5. Okay, yes, start now. Are you solving, all of you? So color one by one, just all of you can tell me. Anjali, you got the answers previous all? Anjali, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harsh, what are the
Yes, sir.
answers? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kaushalya,
Yes, sir.
Likita,
Yes, sir.
Rachana. Rachana, you got the answers previous questions what I gave? Please respond. Ritesh,
Yes, sir.
Sanchit,
Yes, sir.
Tejashwini,
Yes, sir.
Rachana. Rachna, are you there? Okay. Try this question now. Same. F of x equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1 yet closed interval 1 comma 5. The x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 5. Yes, follow the same procedure.
So we should use b square minus 4ac for this.
Yes, you can use, no problem that. And directly you can find the factorization you can do. Factors we are not getting. By the factorization.
No, sir, it's not coming. That's why I used b
Why?
square
Once you
minus.
can take here, no, this is f dash of x
X
equal
equal
to
2 and x equal 3.
cx square minus 30x plus 36. From this one you can take 6 common here now. X square minus 5x plus 6. Why we are not getting? These are the 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Correct? 6 into x minus 2 and x minus 3. Here now 1 into 6 equal to 6. The fact 6 are 2 into 3 minus 5 required now minus 2.
Got it, sir.
Yes. That means x equal to 2 and 3 we are getting. X equal to 2 and x equal to 3. And along with these two values now. So x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 5. Yeah, the 4 points, 4 values, we have to find the f of x value. Then identify that. What is the absolute maximum and what is the absolute minimum value? Okay. Yes, complete. Okay, you can find all the values here. X equal to 2 and x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 and x equal to 5. 4 values we have to find.
Sir,
Yes, please tell me.
sir, absolute maximum I'm getting 56.
Absolute maximum 56. Yes, correct. Absolute
Minimum
minimum
I'm getting 24.
24. Yet what is the point?
Sir, f of 1.
Yes, at x equal to 1. But don't say f of
Yes.
1. At x equal to 1, we got the absolute minimum. At x equal to 5, we got absolute maximum value. It's correct? So write clear that. So absolute maximum is 56 at x equal to 5 and absolute minimum is 24 at x equal to 1. So all of you got the answers? 56 at x equal to 5 and 24 at x equal to 1. If x equal to 1. This is the absolute maximum value, and this is the absolute minimum value. Absolute minimum value. Okay. Next, who done already? So just you can, I'll give one more question to you can write now. F of x equal to 3x power 4 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square. I will write here now. 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. This is the f of x value now. F of x value. Okay. Yet to the point closed interval on closed interval 0 comma 3 on closed interval 0 comma 3. Yes, you can try now. Try it. Because if you don't practice yourself means you'll get more idea. And tomorrow if they give you numerical changes in exam also, easily you will get. If one just up to critical points I'll give you. If take any f dash of x equal to the 12x cube plus 24x square plus 24x minus 48. From this all the terms you can take common, it is the 12 common here. So 12
Sir,
x
minus 24x square.
minus 24 where here yes minus 24x square. So minus 2x plus the 2x square plus 2x minus 4 minus 4 now we can take it. So therefore f dash of x equal to 0 you can take here now. That implies 2 into x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. I think previous I gave 2 points to you here only. But the 2 points I gave, if sum of the coefficients equal to 0, directly you can take the factor here no x minus 1. The difference of sum of alternative coefficients equal to 0, the difference of sum of alternative coefficients equal to 0, then I take here no x plus 1 is a factor. I think both are clearly it's not possible. Means 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. So 1 minus 4 equal to we got minus 3. So it's not possible. If take an alternative also, here 1 plus 2 equal to 3 we got now. And minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus 6. But difference equal it's not 0. So clearly the x plus 1 and x minus 1 it's not at all possible. Okay. Or else you can do one more way also, you can do that one easy way. Instead of finding that one all the factors here, anything is common here. Please you can see.
Sir, can we send 4 that side and take x common?
Directly can take common. X common, huh?
After sending 4 on right hand side.
No need to send 4 on that side. Okay, it's not required. Once you can see from the first two terms, then what will take common here? X square will take common. Then what about remaining? X minus 2 na, and plus 2 you can take common, means then what you get? X minus 2 1 na, I'm correct, equal to 0. That means that implies, again you can take x minus 2 common, so x minus 2 into x square plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0, so the value of x equal to 2, one value. Next, x square plus 2 equal to 0, so x square equal to minus 2, the value of x equal to root of minus 2 means not possible, because the x is not a real number. X is not a real number. What directly can write now? It is does not belongs to real numbers. So x equal to 2 you can take. So 3 numbers you can take here now. X equal to 2, 0, 2 and 3. 0, 2 and 3. Okay, find it. Okay, x equal to 0, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. What the answer? Substitute in there now. X equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. F of 0 equal to how much? F of 0.
Sir, is 25 absolute maximum?
Okay. Absolute maximum is 25 yet x equal to 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Then absolute minimum
Sir, and absolute minimum minus 39.
minus 39. Very good. Yet what is the point here?
F of x is equal to 2.
X equal to 2.
2.
Yes, correct. Next. Next, this is the important question now. You can write now.
Sir, at x is equal to 3,
X equal to 3, we got 16. Is correct? Absolute minimum maximum is at x equal to 0. Then absolute minimum is at x equal to 2. But x equal to 3, we got now 16 we got. But this is the neither maximum nor minimum it is. Okay. Right, next one you can write now. This is the some different kind of question, but here also we have to find the maximum values only. Absolute maximum only we have to find. But the quite completely different question it is. Next week we are going to start the integrations, and by tomorrow class I will complete this chapter. Okay, so please inform to the friends also who are the absent today. Because anyhow, I think already you know very well that integration concept is more important to you. At
So
what
what,
point?
sir? Can you repeat it?
Monday I am going to start integrations.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'll complete the first test in this chapter. Because already maximum minimum we done very clearly. Okay. Already how to find the maximum value, how to find the minimum value, we done. How to find the local maxima, local minima, we done that. Next, absolute maxima, absolute minima. I think I gave very clear the difference between all those three. It's correct. Okay, when you're finding the maximum, when you're finding the minimum, when you're finding the local maximum and local minimum. Then when we have to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. The three cases, all of you should remember that. Suppose instead of one method, suppose you done other method, means clearly definitely lose your marks, but you're not getting marks in examination. So be careful that, right? At what points in the interval, at what points in the interval, right? Closed interval 0, 2 pi, closed interval 0, 2 pi, does the function sine 2x, does the function sine 2x, the function sine 2x, the function sine 2x attain its maximum value, attain its maximum value, maximum value, maximum value. That's all. We have to find this one. We have to find the points. We have to find at what points in this interval does the function sine 2x attains its maximum value. We have to find the value, same thing only. But we're completely compulsory. We are not getting one value here now. We will get completely with more than 1 point we are getting. Previous we got it at x equal to 0, at x equal to 1, and at x equal to 2, and we got the values. But now in this case, completely we are getting the more than one value. Same, this is the function now. That means f of x equal to, clearly we got now sine 2x, sine 2x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So f dash of x equal to, clearly we got now the 2 cos 2x, 2 cos 2x. Now for critical points, then what we will do that for critical points, critical points, clearly compulsory we have to take here now f dash of x equal to 0. That implies 2 cos 2x equal to 0. Then cos 2x equal to 0 is correct. That means here cos 2x equal to 0 means, then when its possibilities, please tell me anyone. Cos 2x equal to 0. Cos 2x equal to 0. Then what are the positive values we will take? That is what they're asking here now. So clearly one value is the cos 90 equal to 0, na? Is correct? I'm correct now? Cos 90 equal to 0, I think. 1 point. That means clearly you can write now one value is here 2x equal to pi by 2, because cos 90 equal to 0, one value. Like this, I think then how many possible values we are getting? How many possible values we are getting? And you can check it. You can check that. Suppose or else, and based on the graph also we will find that. Based on the graph also we will do. If we take an x-axis and y-axis here is the origin. The graph of cos x, then how to get, tell me? The graph of cos x, clearly it's not passing through the origin. So definitely we are getting like this. Is correct?
Sir, x is pi by 4 and minus pi by 4.
Pi by 4 and minus pi by 4. This one, once I observe this condition now. This is the clearly what is that pi by 2. This is the pi here. Is correct? This is a 3 pi by 2 na. This is the 2 pi. And whatever is point plus pi by 2 you can add.
5 pi by.
5 pi by 2 is correct. And this is the 3 pi, 3 pi. 3 pi plus pi by 2 equal to
7 pi.
7 pi by 2 now. Take all, just once you observe that clearly. What about this point here now? Clearly 1. And what about this point here now? Minus 1. Because the range of the cos x or sin x will be minus 1 to 1. From here to here, we are getting like this. Is correct? Taken graphically. Taken graphically. Observe that. If taken the odd, you clearly can write now that the cos of odd multiples of 90, odd multiples of pi. Okay. Cos of odd multiples of pi. What is the value we are getting? Please tell me. Whatever this value. The board is visible. Cos of, see, just observe that. Pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, so on. All the numbers you can take. At this point, what is the value of
Minus 1.
triangle here now? Minus 1. That means the cos of odd multiples of pi equal to, clearly we got now minus 1. I'm correct? But in the same, if you take an cos of even multiples of pi, even multiples of pi, what is the value we are getting? This is the even multiples of pi. I'm correct? We got clearly one. Na? In the same way, suppose if you take in here now, cos of odd multiples of 9 by 2. Okay, means pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2. This is the 1 into pi by 2. Is correct? 3 into pi by 2. 5 into pi by 2. 7 into pi by 2. So cos of odd multiples of 90 is always 0. Na? The value equal to 0. Because these numbers are also useful to you. So why we are taking this, all the numbers are useful means, but instead of actually we will get 1 point. But for finding all the points will be difficult only. But anyhow, they gave the clue here. But whatever we are taking the angle, it must be compulsory, like belongs to the, what is that? From 0 to 2 pi we have to take. 0 to 2 pi. That means first you can take here now all odd multiples of 90. You can take here. Then you will find easily that one. Okay, because anyhow that value of cos 2x equal to 0. The cos 2x equal to 0 means we're taking that one cos of odd multiples of pi and cos of odd multiples of even multiples of pi. These two values are not possible. So clearly we have to take here now cos of odd multiples of pi by 2 only we have to take. Is correct. But anyhow, whatever this value 2x we got already here now. 2x already we got. Okay, I'll try and top one here. That's it is not going. So you can take the values here now. So first you can take here now. One value is 2x equal to odd multiple pi means pi by 2. Okay. And second one you can take here now 2x equal to the second one 3 pi by 2 na 3 pi by 2 second, and 2x equal to again 5 pi by 2. Next 2x equal to 7 pi by 2. These are all the possible values. But whatever we are taking the values, it must be clearly lies between, what is that? From 0 to 361 we have to get.
Sir, only till 3 pi by 2, sir.
Only up to only this one. This is not possible. 2 right this side now. 7 pi by 4. Pi by 4 equal to 45. 345. 745 is there. It will come.
Yes, sir,
300 plus
possible.
only. Possible. But maybe we are taking the next number, it's not possible. Suppose if you take here 2x equal to 9 pi by 2, it's not possible. I'm correct? because 945 are 940 is 360
Yes, sir.
we are getting. So this is not possible. So you can take clearly up to here only, but these are the all the points will be possible. So clearly you can write x equal to pi by 4, here x equal to 3 pi by 4, here x equal to 5 pi by 4, here x equal to 7 pi by 4. Understood now? Now what we have to do take means compulsory we have to substitute all the values from 0 to 2 pi. That means x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 4, x equal to 3 pi by 4, x equal to 5 pi by 4, x equal to 7 pi by 4, and x equal to 2 pi. All the values you can substituting in the sine to x. Then you can verify that. You know what is the absolute maximum value. Okay, but here required only maximum only required. That minimum is not required. If you want, you will write later. Okay, you'll find that. Yes, all of you can copy up to here now. I think you got the clarity of why we are taking all the values here. You got the clarity? And one more thing, the same question in the last numerical changes. Suppose in this case, but anyhow, we are getting the equal to 0 means definitely we are getting equal to 0 only. Maybe in case of this question, no, they're asking like this, sine 2x plus 1. All of you listen to me first. The function equal to sine 2x plus 1. In this case, when you are differentiating the function, what will happen? The 2 into cos 2x, sorry, this is the x secant, not 1, x secant. Clearly what you will get? 2 cos 2x plus 1 we are getting. Am I correct? But in this case, when you are taking the f dash of x equal to 0, then 2 cos 2x equal to clearly we got now minus 1. Clearly we got minus 1. Now in this case, what are the points we are taking when it's possible? The cos of odd multiples of pi must be equal to minus 1. That means clearly we have to take here now pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, that values we have to take. Understood? In the same way, suppose with the other numerical changes, if they given here now minus x is given, minus x. In this case, then what will get now? Minus 1 we are getting. So cos 2x equal to clearly we got 1 now. But here also one thing is there, but here 2 is there now. Maybe sometimes, suppose here 2 it's not there means then only it's possible, but don't consider that one. Because 2 is there anyhow. 2 we are writing this means we got 1 by 2. It will be different meaning of that. Okay, purely if you got cos x equal to minus 1 and cos x equal to 0 and cos x equal to plus 1. So that time just you can follow the very clearly these all. Okay, these three conditions. Suppose if they given cos 2x is given, they given here now cos 2x. The differentiation of cos 2x equal to, please tell me, differentiation of cos 2x equal to what you get? Minus 2 sin 2x, minus 2 sin 2x equal to 0. This also will get no sin 2x equal to 0. It's correct. Sin 2x equal to 0. But in this case, then how to find the points here? How to find the points? Here also you can take same graph, you can take immediately. Then you will get more idea about that. X-axis and y-axis. The graph of sin x is always passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. That means the graph we are getting here like this. We are getting like this. Okay? Take it. Anyhow, this is the pi. This is the pi by 2 value. But this is the pi by 2 means, sorry. This is the pi by 2. This is the pi only. This is 3 pi by 2 now. I'm correct. And plus pi means this is the 2 pi. This is whatever this value. 5 pi by 2 na? 5 pi by 2. This is clearly we got now 3 pi. So on you can take. Now suppose we got now sin 2x equal to 0 means then when its possibility is odd multiples of pi or na? Sine of odd multiples of pi is 0. The sine of odd multiples of pi by 2, odd multiples of pi by 2, clearly we got now, sorry, this is even is the pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, but these values you can take. But at these points we will get plus 1, and at these points we are getting that one minus 1. That means if you take any one of the any trigonometry function we are taking graph means, you'll understand very clearly and easily will get the answers in examination. Okay? In this concept, any doubts? Please tell me. In this concept, any doubt? Okay, it's all later. First you can tell me answer to me. I'll give the time again. So later just you can this all the points you can substituting in the function. You can say to me maximum and minimum. Please respond anyone. Because you are not asking anything means I don't know it is the are you getting or not. I'm thinking like it is the already you understand that. Or else okay sir you can wait 2 minutes means I'll wait, no problem that. But please give me answer. Okay. Yes, first you complete the question. Complete that. You got the answers? If you take any x equal to what the first number? Okay, just a minute. Yes, I will share my display. Okay, sure. 10 o'clock means I at that time, okay, come here. By 10:30 I have class, 10 o'clock you come. Yes, sure. Okay. Okay, man. Okay.
Sir, sir, I didn't understand. X is equal to pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 are possible, sir. They are not inside the interval.
This one,
Sir, 5 pi by
5 pi by 4. Yes. What is the meaning of pi by 4 here now? 45 only, na? 5 45 is there? 225. This is the clearly we are saying that one lies between 0 and what is that? From 0 to 3 is to only. Correct? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are taking up to there now. Then you can find it. F of pi by 4 first you can take. This is the cos. What is the function is given now?
Sir, sine 2x.
Okay. Sine 2x. Sine 2 into pi by 4. 5 over in this 2 times only. But sine 90 equal to 1. Okay. Next. F of 3 pi by 4. It is equal to, you can write now. Sine 2 into 3 pi by 4 now. Is correct. In this number 2 times only. But 3 into pi by 2 means pi by 2 equal 90 and 390 is 270 you can write. Sine 270 degrees. Sine 270 equal to 270 plus 0. Cos 0 na? Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus cos 0. Minus cos 0 means we will get clearly this is the minus 1 here. In the same way, f of 5 pi by 4 you can take. F of 5 pi by 4. And the sine of 2 into 5 pi by 4 you can take. 2 into 5 pi by 4. 2 in this number 2 times. Is correct. And here you can write clearly that sine and 590 are 450 na 450 degrees. This one you can write clearly 360 plus 90 you can write. 360 plus 90. Understood now? Sine 360 plus theta first quadrant. So clearly sine is positive only. We get clearly sine 90 we are getting. So sine 90 equal to 0. Sine 90 equal to, sorry, sine 90 equal to 1. Okay. Next. Coming to the next value, f of 7 pi by 4. F of 7 pi by 4 you can take. So sine of 2 into 7 pi by 4. 2 in this number 2 times only. You can write clearly that sine 7 pi by 2 you can write. When pi by 2 equal 90 and 790 are 630. Is correct? 630 means this also you can write clearly that. Okay, sine of 2 into 3 is, or else you do one thing. 630 required. 630, okay, 360 plus 270 na? If you want more clarity, you can take both. No problem that. Then sine 360 plus theta, sine theta only. That means it should be equal to the sine 270. Anyhow, sine 270 we got previous. Minus 1. Okay. Then you can find it. Then what is the maximum value here? Absolute maximum? 1. Absolute maximum is 1. At the points pi by 4, x equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 5 pi by 4. Then absolute minimum is 3 minus 1. Yet x equal to 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Okay. That too. Clear now? And one more also is there. Still we have to find the two numbers we are not finding that. F of 0 and f of 2 pi. If taken f of 0, sine 0. Sine 0 equal to clearly 0. And if taken f of 2 pi, f of 2 pi, it is equal to get no sine 4 pi. Sine 4 pi. Means sine 4 pi means what do you get? 540. Sine 540 equal to clearly, this also will get 0 only. Then from all the points you can write. No, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you can write. So therefore the absolute maximum value is 1, yet x equal to pi by 4 and x equal to 5 pi by 4. The absolute minimum value is minus 1, yet x equal to 3 pi by 4 and x equal to 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. Okay. I think up to this all the questions among this all the today's class, this is already some little bit confusion. Is correct? Because we have to find 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 and all those things. Okay, are you completed? I'll give next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right now. Right. It is given that at x equal to 1. Next one, it is given that at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1, comma, function x power 4 minus 62x square, 62x square plus ax plus 9, ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval, attains its maximum value, its maximum value on the interval, on the interval closed interval 0 comma 2, closed interval 0 comma 2, full stop, and find the value of a, find the value of a. The question now. Okay, we have to find the value of a, we have to find. This simple question, isn't it? Is correct? Very simple question, very easy also. They only said very clearly that for no, the maximum value on the interval, but starting is given now. What is the maximum value here now? The maximum value at x equal to 1. It is given that at x equal to 1, the function attains its maximum value. I mean, clearly they said very clearly that for x equal to 1, we got the maximum value. So you can do that. The same thing only can do. Okay. So f of x equal to x power 4 minus 62x square, 62x square plus ax plus 9, plus ax plus 9 now. Differentiate with respect to x r now. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. So f dash of x equal to 4x cube minus the 124x plus a. Plus a we got. Now for critical points, then what we have to do now? By data clearly, they given very clearly that by data f of x is, by data f of x is maximum yet x equal to 1, maximum at x equal to 1. So directly I can substitute in there now. So therefore at x equal to 1, therefore at x equal to 1, then f dash of x equal to 0. So directly I can substitute in there, x equal to 1 I can substitute in there. So 1 minus 62 plus a plus 9 equal to 0. Now find the value of x. So sorry, the value of a you can find. The value of a equal, I think clearly we got now 10. What is 1? 62. Na? You can substitute here only, na? So this is the 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0. The value of a equal to 120. The value of a equal to 120. Okay. Tomorrow, half of the class will complete this chapter. Then we are going to the, just we'll discuss clearly again one more time that whole chapter. Finish? I'll give 2 questions. You will try yourself.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes. Right now, find the maximum and minimum value of. Find the maximum and the minimum value of x plus sine 2x. X plus sine 2x. See, already this example I gave previous. I explained that numerical changes. I told that. We got again. Find the maximum and minimum value of x plus sine 2x on x plus sine 2x on x plus sine 2x on closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. Yes, same procedure. Now you can check it. Then what you will take here? Now already I gave the graph previous problem and I told very clearly. Then when it will be x equal to that value equal to 0, when it will be equal to -1 and +1. We done. Okay. Then we can verify that. Okay. The one problem you can solve yourself. It's like a previous problem. It is the sine 2x. Okay, it's the same as sine 2x. Do that. Then you can write one more now. If you want, you can write one more question. One more you can write. Find the maximum. Okay, this will be different only. I'll start that tomorrow. Oh, here, addition it's not there. If you want the same question, you can take x plus sine 2x or another question now. And if you want, you can take here now x minus sine 2x also you can take. X minus sine 2x also you can take. At the same interval. At the same interval, you can take and you can find it. Okay. It is the next one is the some different concept that is the based on the profit and all those things. So now we are doing that, but now we'll start means it will take time again 10 to 15 minutes time now. Okay, so tomorrow I'll start that. But anyhow, but tomorrow I'll complete this chapter clearly, and by Monday we'll start that integration. Now please tell me anyone it is the in this concept the maximum and minimum value. Any doubts we have? We'll discuss now. For 5 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes we'll discuss. Later we'll wind up. Okay, please tell me. Please respond. In this maximum and minimum value, any doubts?
Sir, you said
No
you do
doubt, sir.
problems on second derivative test. Sir.
That is tomorrow we'll do that. That's why I am telling that.
Okay.
Second derivative, suppose just now I started now means it will take time. It's correct. Because already time 8:30. So we'll start tomorrow only. Okay, tomorrow we will take the second derivative test, but that questions are important for 5 marks questions. But up to now, most probably we will get for 3 marks, because all the easy questions, simple questions only. They ask for 3 marks questions only. Only based on second derivative applications. That is, we are getting for the essay questions. I think almost all the questions. I think you got the clarity about then how to find the maximum and minimum, and strictly increasing and decreasing. Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Then approximation and normal and tangents. Is correct? Then what rate of change we done? Rate of change. But these are the concepts we done in the application of derivatives. I hope all of you got you understand very clearly all the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But it is but we can do more practice that. But all of you, all the examinations completely compulsory. We have to get good marks. But when it's possible means then when you're doing the more practice, then only it's possible it is. Okay. That means it is at least suppose the 50 marks test means at least we have to get more than 40, but not less than that. Not less than that. Understood now? So anything is there, any doubt you have, just immediately ask me. We'll discuss together in the class itself. We'll get more clarity. Understood now? I think you already understand very clearly the continuity and differentiability. But differentiability, application of derivatives, if you know perfectly means then integrations also we are completing very easily that. Because they are also they're completely quite opposite of the differentiation. That's all. Quite opposite of differentiation. Whatever we got the same concepts only, but everything only exponential, logarithms, and polynomials. Okay, and all we are getting. But there also here we are taking the EV formula in differentiation, but there also we have biparts. But they're not. We are not calling the EV, but there we call as a biparts method. But the biparts method is not only this year. This is the more important. Even this year and the next year also it is. But we are going to the higher classes also. Suppose you're going to engineering also, definitely we will get now biparts method. Differentiation, it's more important to you, and everybody should learn that. Okay, the differentiation integrations, but don't forget now, it is until your post graduation, we will get continually will get now the calculus part only. Along with calculus part, we'll get the matrices. Matrices also more important. Understood? No? But don't think like whatever we learn, only addition, subtraction, multiplication, not the questions. We learn on concept elementary transformation, elementary operation you learn the matrices. Find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary transformation.
Yes, sir.
That is more important. Okay, that is, we have to find the rank of matrix. We have to find the rank of matrix, and we have to find the Gauss-Jordan method. Some methods we have Gauss-Jordan, Gauss elimination. Okay, and one more method is there now. But these all the methods complete. We had to apply that one, the elementary transformation only. Understood now? Generally, we have to solve the equations complete. We can apply the same thing only, but we are not taking some other thing. It is already when you are solving the matrices chapter on the time, what concept you get? Okay, you feel difficult means the same elementary transformation only. You feel difficult. Is correct? Is correct? Correct or not? We done so many questions, but 2 by 2 matrix only we got so many confusions there now. But the time we will get 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, but 2 by 2 matrix we are not getting complete directly, either 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix we are getting. So that's why they introduced in the second year now. That is the main reason and main purpose, because this year we should learn thoroughly that one elementary transformation. Then only it is there for next year it will be easy. Okay, because it is the whatever we are learning the previous year, the previous year concept is basics for the present year. The same whatever this year we are learning, these all the concepts are basics for the next year. Okay, so don't take easily that one, all of you. If you know perfectly also you can do practice well, then easily will score good marks in examination. Okay, yes, we'll wind up the class now. So good night.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome.